All right, tonight you need to finish this worksheet. It's actually the back. We did this part. Your stage and scribe in class with your partner. Someone explained and the other person wrote. On the back, we have some mixed practice that you're going to finish. Okay. So we've been clearing fractions and decimals. Let's talk about a fraction like on number 10. You look at your denominator. Can you find your least common multiple? I have another 3 again, so I really want to find the least common multiple with 3 and 5. And so to work a little bit smarter, we kind of think 5 is the biggest number. Can 3 go into 5? It cannot go into 5 evenly. So what you could do, I can just do the division. It gives me a decimal answer. So I need to think of multiples of 5 that 3 and 5 have in common, which is, if you're not sure, you can use your calculator, hit math, arrow to the right, pick number 8, which is LCM. We want the least common multiple between 3 and 5, which is 15. Okay, so that's what we're multiplying to clear out our fraction by. So I'm going to multiply by 15, everything by 15. 15 times this, like the invisible 1/3 x, would give me 5x here. 15 times 2/15. Make sure that's right, that's 5. This would give me plus 6. Then my equal sign. Then I'm doing 15 times 2/3. You can go 15 5 times, so this is 10. And then minus 15x. So now we need to start with our smallest variable, which is our negative 15x here. If I do the opposite to cancel that smallest variable, so plus 15x, we get 20x plus 6 equals 10. And now, see my x term here is the 20x, with it is the plus 6. So I'm going to eliminate that, minus 6. And I have 20x equals 4. 20 is the coefficient. This number in front of, that's what we divide by. I'm running out of room, so 20x equals 4. And if we divide by 20, this is going to give me a fraction answer. We can reduce this fraction. So just a couple of recaps. If you do 4 divided by 20, we get this decimal answer. We want our answers in fraction form. So we can hit math and then enter, and it will convert that to the fraction. Or you could have went to the fraction box in the calculator, that's the alpha x, put the 4 on the top, 20 on the bottom, hit enter, it reduces our fraction. So this x is 1/5. Okay. Now, if you have parentheses like we do here on 11, don't forget to distribute first. Okay, distribute the 2/5 to each term first. So 2/5 m minus 6/5 equals to plus 3/5 m. And then now I can see my least common divider, denominator, excuse me. Our least common multiple of that bottom number, the denominator, is 5. So we're multiplying everything by 5. So this is 2m minus 6 equals 10 plus 3m. And now we're back to a two-step equation, eliminating the smallest variable first. So get rid of the parentheses first. Like on 12, you need to distribute first, both groupings. And then after you do that, you need to find your least common multiple. This is going to be 4/3 k plus 2/3. So my least common multiple between 2 and 3 is 6. Let's see if you can finish this one. Now for decimals, remember we have to multiply by the greatest place value here. There's 2 digits, so Our greatest common multiple would be 2 zeros would be 100 here that we're multiplying everything by. All right, so when I do that, you're going to convert that and get your whole number. This would be 3j equals 60. And then you just divide them by 3. But for a problem like number 15 here, we actually have 3 decimal places as the largest place value. So that means we're multiplying by 1,000. Where on number 16, only 2 decimal places are shown, even though this one has 1, 2 is the greatest one. So we multiply by 100. Multiply by that multiple so that you can, so you can get whole numbers. Okay, so let's just talk about distributing the 1,000. Oops, my pen not working. Oh, okay, wrong color, but it's gonna have to work. So basically, you can use your calculator and multiplier. We're just moving the decimal 3 places, 3 zeros, 3 places to the right. So this is gonna be 13 minus 20g, because it'll be 1, 2, and then another one, equals 53. And then we're solving that equation. Here, since we're distributing the 100 to get rid of the decimal to each term, this would be 2 minus 5f equals a negative 68 plus, plus my 30f. Okay, and now we're just putting our line down the equal sign and solving our equation. So hopefully this little video will help you get done. This is due tomorrow for a separate grade. All right, thank you.